Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cash out your bet in the Hard Rock Bet app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Bets at the bottom. This will show all your active bets that are still in play. Look for a cash out button next to the bet you want to settle. Not all bets may be eligible, so only bet with the cash out option will show this button. Tap cash out to see the amount you will receive. If you cash out now, this amount will be slightly lower than your potential full winnings, but it guarantees a payout immediately. If you are happy with the cash out amount, tap confirm or cash out again. Your bet will be settled instantly and the fund will be added to your account balance. Go to your wallet or account balance to see the cash out amount has been added. You can now use it to place another bet or withdraw it to your bank. And that's it. You have successfully cashed out a bet in the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.